Hello students, in this session we will discuss about e-commerce. E-commerce stand for electronic commerce. So we discuss about what is commerce. Commerce is division of trade or production which deals with the exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer. Now different type of e-commerce. First is B2B, business to business, business to consumer, business to government, consumer to consumer, government to consumer, government to business. Now come to the topic, what is e-commerce. Basically e-commerce is known as electronic commerce or internet commerce, refer to the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute this transaction. It is commonly known as electronic marketing. It consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic system such as internet. E-commerce is the purchasing, selling, exchanging goods and services over computer network or internet through which transactions or terms of sale are performed electronically. Now differences, what is e-commerce versus e-business. E-business refers to all aspects of operating an online business. E-commerce refers specially to the transactions of goods and services. We use the term e-business to refer preliminary to the digital of transactions and process within a firm involving information system under the control of firm. E-commerce is include commercial transactions involving exchange of value across organizational boundaries. Now, process of e-commerce. First is we can take order placed by user, shopping cart, visa, smart cards. Order is completed, email is sent to consumer, sent to warehouse, shipping carriers, then shipping to customers. So what is process of e-commerce? A consumer uses web browser to connect to home page of merchant's website on internet. The consumer browses the catalog of product featured on the site and select items to purchase. The selected items are placed in the electronic equivalents of shopping cart. When the consumer is ready to complete the purchase of select items, she provides bill to and ship to address for purchase and delivery. Now, when the credit card number is validated and the order is completed at the commerce server site, the merchant site display receipt confirming the consumer purchase. The commerce server site then forward the order to processing network for payment, processing and fulfillment. Now, what is B2B? So, B2B depend is business to business. When a business sells a good or services to another business, like a business sells software as a service for other business to use. E-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies. About 80% of e-commerce is about of this part. Example, Intel selling microprocessors to Dell. Next one is B2B, business to business. Business organization, suppliers, wholesales, customer, wholesales orders, website and order to processing. B2G is business organizations, website to government. What is B2B? B2B is business to consumer. When a business sells a good or services to an individual consumer, you buy a pair of shoes from online retailer. Business to consumer, e-commerce or commerce between companies and consumers involve customers gathering information, purchasing physical goods or receiving products over an electronic network. Example, Dell selling a laptop. Examples, B2C e-commerce, business organization, customer suppliers, customer to order website, through the website, business organization order processing. B2G, business to government. Business to government e-commerce or business to government is generally defined as commerce between companies and the public sector. It refers to the use of internet for public licensing procedures and other government related operation. Example: business pay tax, file reports or sell goods and services to government agency. B2G, business to government e-commerce, business organization website to government. C2C, that is consumer to consumer. When a consumer to consumer e-commerce or C2C is simply commerce between private individual or consumers. When a consumer sells a good or services to another consumer, like you sell your old furniture on eBay to another consumer. Example: selling a car to my neighbor. C2C, that is consumer to consumer. Place advertisement website. Want to sell product, customer 1. Want to buy product, customer 2 receives product, receives money. Next one is G2C, that is government to electronic. G2C, government to consumer. This model is also part of e-governance. The objectives of this model is to provide good and effective services to each citizen. The government provides the following facility to citizens through website informations of all government department, like different welfare schemes, different applications form to be used by citizen. G2C e-commerce is government, website and citizen. Now examples of e-commerce. First is retail, wholesale, drop shipping, crowdfunding, subscription, physical products, digital products and services. So what is including retail? The sale of product by business directly to customer without an intermediary. Advantage of e-commerce. So what is advantage of e-commerce? First is faster buying and selling, as well as easy to find products, buying, selling 24/7. More reach to customers. There is no theoretical geographical limitations. Low operational cost and better quality of services. No need of physical company setup. Easy to start and manage a business. Customer can easily select products from different providers without moving around physically. Affordable advertisement, flexibility for customers, no reach limitation, product and price comparison, faster response to market demand, faster buying process. There are more lot of advantages of e-commerce. Now come to disadvantages of e-commerce. Unable to examine products personally. Not everyone is connected to internet. There is the possibility of credit card number theft. Mechanically failure can cause unpredictable effects on the total process. Customers have concern about privacy and security. Many consumers are still worried about giving out our personal information, especially debit and credit card number to online source. Lack of in-store engagement with customers, the added cost of operating an online stores. Thank you, student. Have a very good day.